Hi, I'm Susanna, a product manager for RYOBI. RYOBI has a range of powered scrubbers for making light work of heavyweight cleaning tasks in and around the home and garden. We offer two models. First of all, we have this, the compact power scrubber. It fits these large 15cm brush heads, which are ideal for cleaning large surface areas quickly and easily. The brush head spins at 210 RPM, making light work of ground-in dirt and grime. The tool is IPX7 rated, meaning it can be fully immersed in water up to 1 metre deep for up to 30 minutes, making it ideal for cleaning with water or in and around pools. And when you buy it, it comes with one of these medium bristle brush heads. Then we have this telescopic version, the telescopic power scrubber. It has all the same features, plus an extendable reach pole that extends up to 1.4 metres long, ideal for overhead cleaning, and a 6-position pivoting head, giving you the perfect scrubbing angle for any task. Now this one comes with that medium bristle brush head, plus a foam head, which you can soak in water and is great for car washing. These scrubbers can be used with any one of our range of accessory heads. A soft bristle brush head, ideal for cleaning surfaces like bathroom suites and grouting, wood or siding. These medium bristle brush heads for garage doors, masonry, garden furniture or toys, flower pots, guttering or roofing. And then we have these much harder, aggressive bristle brush heads for hardcore cleaning of concrete or barbecues. And finally, our foam heads for easy water-based cleaning tasks, such as cleaning cars, vinyl flooring, or windows. To continue with our cleaning range, I'll hand over to Hilary.
Thanks so much. Hi guys, I'm Hilary with the Outdoor Product Team. For years, we've had a great max power 36-volt pressure washer, and we've been hard at work expanding both our corded and cordless ranges. We're super excited to bring you the new extended family of easy clean power washers. So if your customers have a car, a deck, patio furniture, a dirty pool, or really anything that they want to clean while out and about, the Easy Clean is all they need. The cordless convenience of a ONE+ battery means saying goodbye to tangled power leads and the hassle that comes with setting up a corded pressure washer. You can use it with any garden hose to clean near your house, like washing a car in a driveway. If you don't have access to a hose, no problem. Use the 6-meter siphoning kit to pull from any fresh water source, like a lake or even a bucket. This ONE+ Easy Clean produces 22 bar of pressure, which is 4 times more powerful than your standard garden hose. The 182 liters per hour of water flow quickly washes the dirt away. It's great for a ton of different applications due to the 3-in-1 nozzle. The turbo nozzle is strong enough to remove dirt and grime, but gentle enough to ensure no damage to your car's paint. Give plants and flowers just the amount of water they need with the rinsing nozzle. And use the 15-degree fan spray function to lift dirt from surfaces like patio furniture and wash it away, leaving them looking like new. Customers are absolutely loving the Easy Clean, and sales have been through the roof. But, you know, we wouldn't be RYOBI unless we had something even more innovative on the horizon. So say hello to the new brushless HP Easy Clean. The brushless motor gives you nearly twice as much cleaning power as the brushed, up to 41 bar of pressure. The adjustable pressure and adjustable flow up to 160 liters per hour means we've got you covered for general applications like a final car rinse to bigger jobs like cleaning your decking. I've been personally testing this Easy Clean, and I've been able to clean 25% faster than with the brushed, which is pretty awesome. Like its brushed brother, this comes with a 6-meter suction hose for remote cleaning and a 2-liter bottle adapter, so you can clean up easily on the go. With the full lineup of RYOBI Easy Clean accessories, the cleaning possibilities are absolutely endless. For an even more effective clean, apply detergent with the detergent bottle. Simply fill with any of our range of specialized detergents, attach to the Easy Clean, and spray away. Clean windows with our brand new squeegee, or give your car some extra love with a wheel brush. With RYOBI's Easy Clean family of power washers and accessories, you know that if you need to clean anytime, anywhere, you can reach for an Easy Clean. Thanks so much for watching.